Today we'll be replacing my Jeep's brake light bulbs, reverse light bulbs and turn signal bulbs. This here is a 2011 Jeep Wrangler Sahara with GCC Middle Eastern specs. In the GCC, our tail lights have 3 bulbs rather than the conventional 2-bulb tail lights from the US and other countries. First off, let's unscrew the light assembly. I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver. You only need to remove the inward screws as the outer ones hold the grill I have on with the light assembly. You don't have to remove those two. Once you have removed the screws, take out the tail light. You'll have to shake it a bit and then just pull. You will see the 3 bulbs housing. Turn them counterclockwise to remove them, then unplug the bulbs one by one. I had to take out the reverse light bulb earlier so I could take it to the shop and get the exact part. The turn signal bulb that was in here first uses a 3757 amber bulb, and as you can see that this one is already peeling off from heat and age. I will attach a picture so you could see it clearer, but the ones I have got, they are 3157. You can use either, but I have a 3157 bulb. They're both compatible, so I will just use those. The brake light uses a 3157 clear bulb. You can find them on Amazon or your local spare parts dealer. Before plugging in your new bulb, make sure you wear gloves that don't leave oil residue from your fingers or other dirt on the bulb's lens, as that can cause it to heat up and blow out. I'm using rubbing alcohol to clean the lens and drying it and holding it with a tissue so I don't put residue on the bulb. Make sure to put in the bulbs correctly. You will hear a small click once the bulb is connected. Don't push too hard or it can break. Once you put the bulb in its designated spot in the assembly, turn it clockwise till it's locked. As I said earlier, the turn signal had a 3757 amber bulb, but I'm using a 3157 as it's compatible. The reverse light uses a W16W clear bulb. In the conventional 2-bulb tail light, the reverse light bulb is a 3157 clear bulb and it's in the turn signals place. Just clean the bulb to remove any dirt or oil residue and plug it in. Once you have plugged in the new bulbs, make sure to check the bulbs if they work properly before tightening the screws, and if they are good, then install back the tail light. Now repeat the same process on the other side. There are small rubber bump guards between the grill and the tail light. Don't lose those when you are unscrewing the assembly, and don't forget to put them back. They could be a bit challenging to put. Okay, all the bulbs have been installed. Let's see how they look. They are all working great. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.